To start a new project, run OpenFlows FLOOD through the desktop shortcut to get the startup page. In this page, you can see your recent jobs listed in the left panel and the last used files in the right panel. Both will be empty on a first use. Every project needs to have its own workspace that saves the state of the OpenFlows FLOOD environment between two consecutive work sessions, including displayed layers, coordinates projection system, and etc. Accessing the project menu bar, the Workspace groups contains the tools to create, open, save, and close workspaces. There is also a Manage Workspaces. In the Workspace Management tool, you can export your previous created workspace in order to send to another person your project. And with this tool, you can also import existing workspaces. Clicking the New button, we will have the dialog box to be used to start a new workspace. This button also has the option to load a previously used one. Type the name of the new workspace and click OK. Having it set, the next step is to create the project's domain. Please see related video to learn how to create it. Thank you.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.